The political history of the island nation of Comoros is a volatile chain of coups and assassinations, frequently orchestrated by mercenaries. The central event in this turmoil was the murder of President Ahmed Abderemane on November 26, 1989. Abdallah, who had been Comoros's first president in 1975, had a career defined by instability. He was deposed less than a month into his first term, then later hired notorious French mercenary Bob Denard in 1978 to overthrow the radical regime of Ali Soili. This mercenary-backed coup brought Abdallah back to power. However, his rule ended in 1989 when a rebellion led by his half-brother Said Mohammed Johar captured him. Abdallah was executed on Johar's orders, reportedly amid rising tensions between the president and Denard. The cycle of violence continued as Johar himself was deposed in a subsequent 1995 coup, once again led by Denard's mercenary forces.